What's going on, everyone? Got an unboxing here. Hope everyone's been doing good. Haven't did any videos in a while, so I said I'll do this one. So here's a mystery unboxing. Here we go right here. Let's get into it and see what this is. And everyone's having a blessed day. Okay. They decided to box everything up all in one. So we got some socks from Dick's Sporting Goods, Kelly Green. Then we can pull this off with the airships that's in the background right over here. So we got those. We got the burgundy socks to go with the City of Love Burgundy Crush Dunks. We got the light blue. I think this goes well with the Powerpuff SB Dunks. By the way, all these socks was like on sale from Dick's Sporting Goods for like $9.99. I think it was regular price $14, $14.99 a piece. Then we got some gray socks because I don't have gray socks in the collection, so I figured gray would be good with a lot of stuff that I got. And we got one more. We got these here. So we'll pull this off with something. I'm pretty sure I got something laying around here we'll pull this off with. So we got the pink. And last but not least, we got these. The Sabrinas. Her color. Gave purple and white. Size 13. Box says Sabrina 2. The other side of the box with the S. And her name on the other side. Bottom of the box. And these did come from Dick's Sporting Goods. So let's open these up. Just other shoes in here. You just pull one out. Regular tissue paper. So got them in size 14 men. So these is them. Got like this nylon material on the toe box. The sides. This here, some kind of synthetic plastic material. A reflective swoosh. This on the back, I'm not even sure what this is. It looks like leather, but we know it's synthetic because since it's a basketball shoe. Most basketball shoes now, if you guys, I know, pretty sure you guys noticed that they use a lot of synthetic materials. The heel seems like it'll feel pretty nice. No, I don't hoop, but I got this just to rock. It's the other side of the shoe. Got this foam material. I think probably like Phylon. Feels like a Kobe. It looks like a Kobe 5 if you kind of look at it. Bottom of the shoe. Outsole. Got like this translucent kind of purple outsole. The swoosh. Teal swoosh. Not much to say about the shoe. inside of the shoe, the insole with the S, white S, and the tongue has the S also. And you know we got to smell the shoe. Nothing like opening up fresh shoes and smelling the inside. By the way, there's another detail that's noticed. We got the zoom here on this side of the shoe right here. So it does have zoom here. Man, Nike just need to bring out some more Kobe's, don't you guys think? I'm waiting for them X-ray Kobe's to come out. I think those is pretty dope if they do come out. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Stay blessed. Until the next video. Have a blessed day.